Can it be fun to learn programming and robotics? We at 1000 Business Ideas went to meet Farrusco and its buddies from Artica.
Artica is a creative computing company. We create unique custom software and hardware and product prototyping. We started in a small garage, very messy, and with no money at all. And during this first 6 months, we searched the market for an opportunity to test our first product. And we created this interactive installation in a huge LED wall. After this and a couple of educational robotics workshops, we figured out that we have this market, and we decided to create the company legally. And then we came to Madan Park, which is this incubator in Caparica. This small room is our workshop where we work with lots of power tools, 3D printing, CNC milling, our electronics laboratory, and where we do all the product prototyping. Our most recent example was to create an enclosure for this camera. It's a high-resolution infrared camera, and our customer need to have the camera protected to avoid the access to these setup screws. So we started to create this shape where we could have the camera inside, and this was all 3D printed. Then the box was too big, and we rescaled the size of the box, so now it's more comfy. And then after this object was completely closed and finalized, we sent the object to a rapid prototyping company, Portuguese as well, and where they created the mold in silicone, and this ended in being a very ended product and very beautiful. Farrusco is a learning platform, educational robotics oriented. It started with a robot very similar to this, and then we started to give these workshops to students, hobbyists, and designers and artists, where we teach to read sensor data, to program sequence of actions, and the workshop ends when the student is able to program the robot to make it walking around the room, avoiding obstacles, react to light changes, and so. Then this is our board, the Motorino. The Motorino is developed under the Arduino platform, and we added this motor controller and these rows of pin headers to connect sensors and motors. After 3 years, this product is evolving a lot, so we decided to create the new chassis, the new electronics, and create also a case to enclosure the robot. And this is the evolution of the PCB. It's a bigger motor controller, has a couple of sensors on board, has 2 microcontrollers, has a socket for wireless communications, and this is the chassis still being developed. This is a study for a shell, organic shell, and a more mechanical and robotic shell. Then this project is a commercial application where we used our robot Farrusco. So this is another educational robotics platform. It's called Megabot. It's being developed in a partnership with a company friend called IDMind, and they are in the robotics market for more than 10 years. And Megabot is a bigger platform capable of carrying a laptop computer and because the fact of carrying a laptop computer has a camera, speakers, a screen, and lots of processing capabilities, so we can run many kinds of applications like color tracking, speech recognition, telepresence. We have customers in the US, in England, in the Netherlands, and Germany.